And thing me about remember and say, yeah, that one night and night where it's a bishop night. It's the things with me and Supercat. Cause that night is the first night my foot ever shake on a stage. Cause when Cat come out and say warning, clear the way the party, then rise the father against the son, the killing if you done, it if you done. Let me tell you something. At 3/4 stadium turn up, me never see that yet. And when you draw the next tune, when you draw the second tune, they're not good. You understand? And then again, when you bring the battle in the crowd, that's why one next part, if you remember the amount of battle when me have to say, hold on, don't fling one more here. So, that night there was a night when me nearly dead. And me will tell you, more than 200 people could have died. If me never stepped front of Supercat that night, and them battle they really fling, all of the backstage dead, and the stampede out of stadium. Come here and I'm selling, you see, you might tell me a prayer, you know. Yet no boy ever bring crowd in a stadium, ever full stadium yet. I'm here and Supercat full that, you know. I'm here and go artist, you walk with a jam, Ram Arena, me alone, you know. And me, you carry the biggest motorcade in Jamaica. You have to come to me and foreign, you know, you think you have no artist, wait, what? Oh, you mean I'm get here? Me I tell you have to come to me.
Tell them.
I want you. Me I tell you have to come to me, boy. I want you. Oh, Jack, come shot.
Take me back to the year. Where do you have Vybz Kartel? Take me back to that thing.
I can tell you something. You see me? You say if I tell you, say I forgive you, I forgive everything about you.
Okay.
Try don't bring me back in a nothing when make me have plots back to kill people, pick me. Yeah? Don't do that. That is a negative side of music. When me have to stand up and be a man and know which part if you do, which part if you turn, and when if you do, and what is right and wrong. That is a time when me have to make a serious decision. Yeah?
But you never expect that you get physical.
I don't care whether it was going to get physical or it did get physical. That was of the past, and let bygones be bygones. Ask me about the good things that we're going to sting, we're supposed to go on and sting. Don't ask me about no mishap sting. Why you try to bring the negative side of life up all the while? You know, journalists don't deal with beer corruption, you know. Corruption down the soup and not drink it. Why not drink it something?
No, it's true. It's just like if you see the Emily Crooks videos, top of the screen right now, you see Emily Crooks and Ninjaman, 2003. Negativity, she asked Ninjaman about going on. Boy, just go watch them. Top of the screen. Link in the description. It's true, a journalist to just promote pure negativity for you.
You want me to tell you who you forgot to ask that? Mama Ivy and Mr. Price. And I think both of them dead. Come here and Bounty daddy, so I couldn't tell Bounty what to do. Bounty is his own big man, he have his own career, and he must know what he want out of life. You want me to tell you who you forgot to ask that? Mama Ivy. Why you try to bring the negative side of life up all the while? You know, journalists don't deal with beer corruption, you know. Corruption down the soup and not drink it. Why not drink it something?
That's where you said Bounty right now.
You want me to tell you who you forgot to ask that? Mama Ivy and Mr. Price. And I think both of them dead. Come here and Bounty daddy, so I couldn't tell Bounty what to do. Bounty is his own big man, he have his own career, and he must know what he want out of life. Yeah? Go Beanie man a talk but to me, him and nobody. Drive go arise no free up Addy. As he step through the jail door, me deal with him shabby. Thump down my brother in front of him daddy. Then me drive go big yard and go back down shabby. Don't bother ramp with me now. Anything test a dead boy.
Hear me. This a one is a warning. If you listen to me, what me like awning. Me not afraid of a fool, you know, cause the thing in my back like me still like a school, you know. Me kill them easy. Me boy take off anytime.
Let me tell you something. Me I tell you this. You you can't bring gun and badness to me. Or when you're ugly like a muggle. But let me tell you this. When me see you, one thing me have to tell you. Woman, me love you when you're real tight. Pick with me body straight through the night. We in the bed like two, but how did you find? And when me drop on you, it's like a dynamite. Me tell you wine for me. I got don't know what I'm doing.
Alright. Entertainment with Ninjaman again. We give thanks.